So this is linear SVM problem. The question is plot hyperplane for following points. So we have some points, we have to find the hyperplane. I am quite sure if you watch this video, you able to answer is of every question related linear SVM. Let's start it. So at first you have to find the graph for this particular point. So let me draw this graph. So this is the graph there. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Similar, this is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, so now 3 and 1, we have to find the point 1, 2, 3 and 1 there, this point. Second point 3 and minus 1, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1 here, 6, then 1, 4, 5, 6, then 1 here, then 6 minus 1 here. Now our point is 1 and 0, 1 and 0, that means there. Then point 0 and 1, 0 and 1 here, point 0 and minus 1, 0 and minus 1 here, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0 here. So now we have to make two classes. So this is one class, this is two class. Okay, so we can write here like this way, this is one class and this is another class. So this way, this 3 point is near between these two classes. So this classes is minus classes and this classes is plus positive classes. Okay, okay, so this one is S1, this one is S2, this one is S3. Let me take this 3 point because this 3 point is near. Okay, from these classes S1 is near, from these classes S2 and S3 is near. So now we have to add it BIOS with these 3 classes. They're from object we get 3 point, that is S1, S2 and S3. We added 1 as BIOS. Input. Okay, so this is S1, S2, S3. So our S1 point is 1 and S1 point is this one, 1 and 0. Okay, 1 and 0 because this is 1 and then 0. S2 point is 1, 2, 3 and 1. S2 point is 3 and 1. S3 point is 1, 2, 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1. We have to add BIOS, so we have to add here 1, here 1 and here 1. We'll add our BIOS. Okay, so now we have to find the variable alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 for calculation the weight vector. Okay, now we have to find free variable alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 for calculate the weight vector. How you will find the variable for alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3? So for this there is one formula, that is alpha 1 S1, okay, plus alpha 2 s2 plus alpha 3 s3 equal to something.
And this is for S1, and this is for S2, alpha 2, S2, alpha 3, S3, plus alpha 2, S2.
Here we just write alpha 1 s1, alpha 2 s2, alpha 3 s2. That's it. Okay. Now the formula is easy if you write this way. Okay. So for this one is s1. This line we will calculate value for s1. Okay. So at s1 is of every places. Here s1, s1, s1. Okay. We add s1 here. We add s1 here. We add s1 here. Now what will be this value? So here s1, this is s1, 1 and 0. So s1, 1 and 0 here, this is belongs on minus side, minus. Okay, so this one belongs on minus, and this s2 and s3 belongs plus side, plus b. Only s1 that is minus 1 side. That's why you put here minus 1 and this 2 plus 1. So this is for s2, we just write s2 everywhere, s2, s2, s2. This is for s3, 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 s3. If you follow this step, I think this formula will be easier to you to understand. Okay, now we have to find the value of alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. So we can put all of this value here. For this row we can write alpha 1. You know s1 value is this one, 1 0 1. So you can write the value of s1 1 0 1. Then again s1 1 0 1. Then plus value of alpha 2, we don't know value of alpha 2, we have to find out. S2, value of S2 is this one, 3 1 1. 3 1 1. S1 this one, 1 0 1, plus S alpha 3 S3 this one, 3 minus 1 plus 1, and then S1 this one, 1 0 1 equal to minus 1. So at same way we can find for this one, this row. We know the value for alpha 1 s1 is this, s2 and this, and s3 is this. So for value s1 value is 1 0 and 1. Then value for s2 is 3 1 and 1, plus alpha 2. Value s2 is 3 1 1, and s2 is 3 1 and 1, plus alpha 3. Value of s3 is 3 minus 1 1, and s2 is 3 1 1, and this value is plus 1. Okay, for row 3, alpha 1 bracket s1 1 0 1, s3 3 minus 1 1, alpha 2. For s2 this one, 3 1 1. Now we put only this value, 3 minus 1 1, plus alpha 3. 3 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 1.
Plus 1. Now we have to find value for this row, this one. So okay.
Now I will find this value. Okay, it's simple. If you write alpha 1, then we have to multiplication with 1 and 1, that is 1, then plus 0 and 0, 0 plus 1 and 1 1. And the same we can write here alpha 2 3 plus 0 plus 1 for this true alpha 3. Okay, 3 and 1 is 3, minus 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1 equal to minus 1. From there we can find the value 1 plus 1 2 alpha 1 plus this one is alpha 2 3 plus 1 4 alpha 2, then 3 and 1 4 alpha 3, then equal to minus 1. So this is equation number 1. Okay, now we have to find value for this line. So alpha 1 bracket this one 3 into 1 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus alpha 2, this is 9 plus 1 plus 1 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus alpha 3 9 minus 1 plus 1, that is 9 minus 1 plus 1 equal to plus 1. So you can write this value 314, that is 4 alpha 1 plus 9 10 11 11 alpha 2 plus minus 1 plus 1 then only 9 3 9 alpha 3 equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Then we have to find for this row alpha 1, this is 3 minus 0 plus 1 plus alpha 2, this is 3 3 9 9 minus 1 plus 1 plus alpha 3 9 plus 1 plus 1 equal to plus 1. So we got the value, this is 3 on 4 4 alpha 1 plus this one is 9 alpha 2 plus 11 alpha 3 equal to 1. This is value, this is equation number 3. So we find out total 3 equation. One is this one is this one is this one. Now we have to find out the value for alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3. It's easy. At first from equation let's take 2 and 3 because both of the side alpha 4 alpha 1 is there. We can subtract this one from this one. So from 2 and 3 value is 4 alpha 1 11 alpha 2 9 alpha 3 equal 1. Value 4 alpha 1 plus 9 alpha 2 plus 11 alpha 3 1. Let's put minus here minus this one. So we got the value, that is 2 alpha 2 minus 2 alpha 3 equal to 0. Okay, so now we can say that 2 alpha 2 equal to 2 alpha 3. So alpha 2 equal to alpha 3. So we got the value alpha 2 and alpha 3 is from 1. We got the value, that is 2 alpha 1 plus 4 alpha 2 plus 4 alpha 3 equal to minus 1. So we write last equation number 1. Okay, here. So look, there alpha 2 and alpha 3 is equal. So we can write this one is alpha 3 or this one is alpha 2. So you can write 2 alpha 1 plus this total, this one and this one is equal, so you can write 8 alpha 2, 8 alpha 2 equal to minus 1. Here alpha 2 equal to alpha 3. Now from equation number 2, equation number 2 is 4 alpha 1 plus 11 alpha 2 plus 9 alpha 3 equal to 1. Again we know alpha 2 equal to alpha 1, so we can write here 4 alpha 1 plus 11 alpha 2 plus 9 alpha 2 equal to 1, because alpha 2 equal to alpha 3. So 4 alpha 1 plus 20 alpha 2 equal to 1. So we can put this one is this one equation number 4, this one equation number 5. So let's subtract 4 to equation 5. So 4 alpha 1 plus 16 alpha 2 equal to minus 2. So from equation number 4 we multiply here, equation 4 we multiply 2. Okay, so we got new equation, suppose it is 6. Then we subtract this 6 to equation number 5. 4 alpha 1 plus 20 alpha 2 equal to 1, minus minus minus. We just multiply 2 with this equation, then we subtract this one to this one. Okay, so this alpha 1 will be gone, and our value equal to minus 4 alpha 2 equal to minus 2 around 3. So alpha 2 equal to 3 by 4, that is 0.75. We got value alpha 2. So we know the alpha 2 equal to alpha 3. You know alpha 2 equal to alpha 3. So alpha 3 equal to 0.75. So we have to find only alpha 1 value. So let's put alpha 1 value at equation number 4. 2 alpha 1 plus 8 alpha 2 minus 1. This is equation number 4. We can put the value alpha 3 here. Okay, alpha 2 here, sorry. So 2 alpha 1 plus 8 8 into alpha 2 value 0.75 equal to minus 1. So alpha 1 will be minus 1 minus 4 into 0.75 by 2. So value alpha 1 will be minus 3.5. So we got value alpha 3 is this one, alpha 3 value, and we know alpha 2 equal to 0.75 and alpha 3 equal to 0.75. Now we got our alpha value. Now we have to find the weight vector. So WEIGHT So web vector here formula is w bar equal to summation n. We started from I1 S1 alpha 1. So Si alpha I. So we can write here like this equation equal to S1 alpha 1 plus S2 alpha 2 plus S3 alpha 3. Okay, we put this value. We know S1 is 1 0 1, and we find value alpha 3 equal to minus 3.5 plus we know value of S2 equal to 3 1 1, and we know alpha 2 equal to 0.75 plus again S3 value of S3 is 3 minus 1 1, and alpha 3 0.75. So from there you can write this table like 3.5 into 1, so this is minus 3.5. 3.5 into 0 0, 3.5 into 1 3.5, and that plus 3 into 0.7, the value is 2.25, then plus 1 into 0.75 0.75, 1 into 0.75 0.75 plus 3 into 0.75 equal to 2.25 plus minus 1 into 0.7, so it will be minus 0.75 plus 0.75. Here we just multiply with 3 into this value, and we put here the minus 1 into this value, we put here 1 into this value, put here according to this one. Also 3 into this one there, this one to this one there, this one to this one there, this one to this one there. Okay, so we got our value. After calculating this one, we got value 1 0 and minus 2. So from here at the first 2 point, that is 1 and 0, it will be weight. So 0 and 1 will be weight, and our minus 2 will be bios. Okay, now we have to find the hyperplane. Okay, for finding the hyperplane, we have to again draw the table. So our point was there 1 2 3 point at the first table here, and next point was there this 1, this is 2, this is 3 4 5 6, so here 1 and 1 point. So now our hyperplane will be this one, this. Okay, so this one will be our hyperplane. And another things, if you find the value, I got the value 0 and 1, that's why we make hyperplane in this way, horizontal. If we find value 1 and 0, then the hyperplane will be vertical. So this is answer, and I already provided the PDF link in video description box. Please check.